Hello, everyone. In this mini tutorial, we will talk about base station mapping. Long press the power button of the RTK base station and the bat light in the middle of the base station will stay green. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes until the mod light on the right starts flashing blue. After a beep, the base station is ready for field mapping. It should be noted that the base station should be placed in a high position and without any obvious obstructions above it. To use the base station for field mapping, make the following settings. Firstly, power on both the aircraft and the remote controller and connect to the internet. After checking off all firmware versions, disconnect from the internet and the base station can be used. 1. Open the remote controller settings page. Check if the location accuracy is set to the highest level. 2. Select the H16 tool, click Advanced Parameters, enter the password 999, then select Firmware Update to check if the current firmware version is 0.6. If it's not, click on Update. 3. Open the Agricultural Assistant app, click Settings, click the satellite icon to check if the data transmission module switch is turned on and set data source to cellular tower. 4. Click the last button in the upper right corner and select RTK settings. Check if the baud rate is set to 115,200 and if the RTK accuracy is set to true. If not, first set the baud rate to 9,600, then long press the remote controller power button to restart it. Then open the same page, set the baud rate to 115,200, and long press the remote controller power button to restart. The settings are done. Once all the above settings are done, wait for the drone to achieve a fixed solution and start operations. Follow the steps below to connect the base station to the remote controller for field mapping. 1. Ensure all the above settings are correct. 2. Click Field Mapping and select RTK Marker Mapping. When the RTK precision in the lower left corner turns green, you can start field mapping. That's all for this tutorial. Follow us for more drone tips. See you in the next video.